Hi, this video is about IPsec VPN management, which we can also call the IPsec service management. Let's take a look at how we can manage IPsec services using eSite NMS. Normally it's quite difficult to manage the different VPNs that we have in our infrastructure because VPNs are not physical connections, they are virtual connections, so it becomes difficult to manage, monitor and troubleshoot VPNs. However, eSite gives us a great strength or gives us a lot of advantage when we want to monitor the VPNs, because it gives us a graphical overview, graphical view of the virtual connections or the VPNs that we have, and it gives us the fault diagnostic information and support us and helps us in troubleshooting, and we can exactly identify where the fault lies and we can do the appropriate troubleshooting. As you understand the basic concepts of VPNs, there are two types of VPNs, IPsec VPNs, that we'll be dealing here: the point-to-point VPNs and the point-to-multipoint VPNs. In the point-to-point or point-to-multipoint VPN, we have the IPsec tunnels between two or more nodes, two or more firewalls or devices, and we'll be using eSite NMS for managing those IPsec VPNs. We call this the IPsec service management on the eSite. Let's take a look at the basic operations. We can do the discovery of IPsec VPNs, we can do monitoring of those VPNs, and we can do their troubleshooting. First of all, we need to add devices. We can either add devices and then we can discover the service, and then we can view the service, and then we can use the service topology to monitor and manage the VPNs. We can do performance management, and we can do alarm management, and through quick diagnostics module page on the eSite we can do the troubleshooting as well, as we'll briefly look at in the next few slides. Here is how we do the automatic discovery. We select the firewalls and we do an automatic discovery, and we can find out that what VPNs exist between these devices. So once we've discovered, then we can find out that what VPNs exist between these devices. We can also create a VPN service between devices. For example, if we want to create a service, we go to service group and we create a service. We do next, and we want to make it a point-to-point VPN or site-to-site VPN. So the name of the service is point-to-point, and it's going to be a site-to-site VPN. We select the devices between which we want to create the VPN. So we select the firewall along with their IP addresses. We give the appropriate IPsec related parameters, and then we select the IPsec service and we deploy this service. So this service is going to be deployed between these two devices. This is how simple and easy it is to deploy VPN services between devices, between firewalls, using eSite NMS. Next, we take a look at a few diagnostic tools or few monitoring tools that we have available on the eSite for managing the IPsec service. The quick diagnostics tool is going to give us an overview of if there are any errors or if any VPN is up or down. We can also look at the tunnel information, that how many packets have been exchanged through any particular tunnel, how many packet drops have happened, and other details related to the tunnel, VPN tunnel, IPsec VPN tunnel. You can also look at the historical tunnel information, how many tunnels were there, how many tunnels have been deleted or disconnected or removed. All that historical information can be viewed. We can also look at the service performance information in a graphical format. We can also look at other information in graphical format. We can look at the topology information in graphical format, and if there is any error or any issue at any point, it can be highlighted and we can then click on it, and we can, with one click, we can look at the other details and drill down and find out what the exact issue. We look at the alarms and other indicators and find out the issue. Then we have the overall service performance collection, where we get kind of a dashboard about the overall performance or health indicators of the overall VPN in our infrastructure. So this is all about the VPN service management using eSite, and with this we come to the end of the eSite module, and we also come to the end of the CTSS course, which included the 9 modules which we have covered in these videos. I hope you enjoyed this course, so I hope you enjoyed these videos, and thanks for watching these videos.